one more task for you, for each and every one of you. Please do it. Take out your phone, everybody. In the first session, we said that now I am going to speak. And now this is the second session. Now we got to get to the next level. Now we have to get to the monetization level. And therefore, we need to make a video on this particular slide. The topics that are written over here, I want all of you, I request all of you, I expect all of you to create a video on this particular topic. Everybody do it. Okay. Do it right now. Yes, tag me in your stories, ladies and gentlemen. So now it's day one, session two. In the first session, we told people about the hacks, strategies, inputs, tips so that they can become very good and impeccable public speakers. And right now, I'm going to teach them how to get more public speaking assignments, how to monetize your public speaking, how to get more opportunities. And before that, we have a task for everybody. And the task is they're going to repeat such amazing lines. And they are, I am an action taker. I will speak and monetize my speaking skills to provide a comfortable life to my family and give earning opportunity to others. If you are good at something, grow it, scale it, help more people, empower more people, provide work opportunities and employment opportunities to a lot of people. And that is exactly what each one of us should aspire to do. I hope you are doing something constructive this week. You must keep going, ladies and gentlemen. Put it, ladies and gentlemen, upload it on your social media, okay? Make that video. Day one, session two. I am also uploading it for me. So isn't this important that if you are something that is, if you have a particular skill, if you have a particular ability and you feel that this is good and you feel that this is something that can be scaled, don't you think we should do it? Don't you think we should provide it to people? Don't you think you should scale your work and give employment opportunities to a lot of people? So many people think small. So many people only think about their own self. So many people are selfish. You should not be selfish. You should think about taking your skill sets to such a level that you are able to empower, educate, motivate, inspire, and also provide money generating opportunities to others. And that's exactly what each and every one of us should aspire to do. Type I, ladies and gentlemen, if you also agree with this. Type I if you also agree with this, right? Good. Very good. Awesome. Because that's the bottom line. And that is exactly what we need to focus upon. I, Captain. Thank you. All right. Now let us understand the ways to monetize, wherein you would be able to get more opportunities, create more chances for you, learn how you would be able to earn money through your public speaking skills, and how you would be able to monetize it for yourself, because that is very important. Number one, you would get a speaking fees, maybe 6 months from now, maybe 1 year from now, maybe 2 years from now. Gradually, the speaking fees that you would be getting would go up. And you would therefore be able to get such remarkable results for you that you can't even think about right now. Let me ask you this question, okay? Let me ask you this question. You tell me. What do you think? I did a speaking assignment. I was anchoring for the event and I did it for Mountain Dew. What do you think? How much money would have Mountain Dew paid me for it? I went all the way from Dehradun to Saharanpur for that assignment. Saurabh did it on the first day. I did it on the second day. Some people say 5 lakh rupees and Vicky is aware about it. Vicky is aware about it. This is not now. This is what I did a long time back, people. And for that one speaking assignment, I was paid 1,500 rupees. For the entire day, not the entire day, I would say, for 4 to 5 hours, I was there. That was around 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Okay, not now. So I was there standing under the sun. It was very hot. For around 3 to 4 hours, I was there. And the only amount that I was paid for it was 1,500 rupees. And I was still happy for it, मैं तभी बहुत ज्यादा खुश था, आपको पता है, क्योंकि उस समय पे ये भी लगता था कि यार पैसे आ रहे हैं यार, यही बड़ी चीज है, that you are at least getting the money producing opportunities for you. Because शुरू में कभी भी नहीं होता. How much will you charge if you bid? First of all, I will see whether I will do it or not. And right now, if we will do it, the bare minimum that we would charge would be 2.5 lakh rupees for a day. And that is because we are doing it for, what is the name of the brand? Mountain Dew. Plus, we would also be selling something or the other over there so that we can monetize it. And that is what is important. Got it? Shubham is asking me the 6 months blueprint. Shubham, it will be included inside your trainings. आपको ट्रेनिंग का जब रिप्ले दिया जाएगा उसके अंदर ही ई बुक्स भी दी जाएंगी, 6 मंथ्स का ब्लूप्रिंट भी दिया जाएगा, एंड एट एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो भी मैं आपको साथ में बना के दूंगा 6 मंथ्स ब्लूप्रिंट के, जो कि आप आगे के लिए अपने लिए यूज कर सकते हो. Got it? Good. So you need to understand that everybody starts from zero. Everybody starts their journey from zero, and then gradually they grow, and then gradually they will be able to get amazing opportunities for themselves. Very true. Somebody says you have an experience of 2 years, you got monetization after 8 years. In a way, yes. उससे पहले मोनेटाइजेशन होता था, पर थोड़ा बहुत मोनेटाइजेशन होता था, उससे ज्यादा मोनेटाइजेशन नहीं कर पाते थे क्योंकि आता ही नहीं था, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं था. माय पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जर्नी इज मोर देन दैट, whereas my entrepreneurial journey is 8.5 years. Got it? So we started in 2012, and that's why it is so very important. तो आपको भी टाइम लगेगा, बट एक बार जब आप उस लेवल पे पहुंच जाते हो, उसके बाद आपको कोई डाउट ही नहीं है करने के लिए. उसके बाद आप बिल्कुल नेक्स्ट लेवल पे काम कर ले जा सकते हो. Even just today only, I got a confirmation right now from ICICI Prudential. I would be making a video for them, and it's a decent enough brand. I like that brand. That's why we will be talking about them. और आप देखो, they approached us. We told them as to what we can create for them. It is going to be an integrated video. कोई काम करते हो ना, आपके पास अपने आप ही opportunities आने लग जाती हैं, अपने आप ही chances आने लग जाते हैं. And I have not even replied to that email. You know why I have not replied to that email right now? Because I was focusing on this session. One work is very important. And जब आप वो काम करोगे, तब आपके पास results आएंगे, and तब आप और ज़्यादा अपने लिए काम कर पाएंगे. That is what is very, very important. Got it? Good. So you can charge your speaking fees, and along with that, you can also sell at that one particular event. क्योंकि जब आप speaking fees charge कर रहे हो, आप उस event में selling भी करो ना. जब आप selling करोगे, तो उसके through आप और monetization कर पाएंगे, and और opportunities अपने लिए create कर पाएंगे. And that's why it is very important. So 2 things that are very, very important over here. Number 1, have a speaking fees for you. And then sell at events. Somebody asked me how much should we charge in the beginning. I don't mind if you start by not having even a single penny given to you for your speaking assignment. It does not matter, because the only thing that matters over here is you are getting the opportunity, you are getting the assignments. And then sell at events means you have your own physical product, you have your own digital product, you have any other person's product or opportunity, and that is exactly wherein you would be able to speak and also monetize. And don't worry, if you ask me where I can speak during the course of this session, I will also tell you where would you speak. आपके दिमाग में जितने सवाल हैं, सब हम खत्म करने के बाद, आंसर करने के बाद ही यहाँ से जाने वाले हैं. Got it? Be here, focus. आपके दिमाग में जो है वो मेरे पास है, मुझे पता है. We will cover that. Okay? Relax. So you would be able to have a speaking fees. You would actually be charging people for your speaking fees, and then you would also sell at the events. And again, the only way to increase your speaking fees, the only way to create more monetization opportunities for you is by increasing your social media presence. Do you agree? जितना आपका social media presence बढ़ता चला जाएगा, उतना ही ज़्यादा आपकी speaking fees बढ़ती जाएगी, because उतनी ज़्यादा awareness आपके पास बढ़ेगी, and वही चीज आपके पास खुद आएगी. And that is why I say to all of you, अपनी selling skills के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा काम करो, अपनी selling strategies को बहुत important, बहुत अच्छे से grow करते चले जाओ, because once you are able to do it, you would be able to monetize. What to sell at the event? You can sell products, sell software, you can sell a physical product, you can have the affiliate links for particular products, and you can sell that. You can recommend about a particular brand, and you can get monetization opportunities out of that. There are so many things that you would be able to do and get results for yourself. That's important. Somebody says, what is the main role of public speaking in entrepreneurship? Man, you need to pitch your product to people in order to get the funding from them. If that is what you want to motivate your team, you want to inspire your team, you want to push your team. Now, Mr. Steve Jobs was not into digital coaching, but the reason why that person was able to get such results for him was because of his public speaking skills, the way he was on the stage, the charisma that he carried, and that is what created that opportunity for him. And that is what actually took Apple to the next level altogether. Product top notch, presentation even better. How many of you have seen Steve Jobs talking about an Apple product when they were launching it? How many of you have seen it? You have, right? So do you know the kind of impact that he created? It was only because of his public speaking. So if you are an entrepreneur, public speaking is meant so much for you. And that's important. Plus, आप एक चीज और सोचो, अभी Micromax market में वापस आ रहा है, right? What is Micromax doing? the founder Rahul is going online, right? And he's creating his videos. उसके लिए भी तो अपनी public speaking skills होना बहुत अच्छा है ना? And he's banking upon the fact that this is made in India. I do it all the time, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to do a lot more things in the future. You are going to be the people who are going to be amongst the top line of us. You are going to be the people who are going to be amongst the forefront of all the things that we do. The community that we are creating is going to be huge in the future. And you are the ones who are now. आपको मैं एक चीज और बता देता हूँ. Whatever you have achieved till now is nothing compared to what you are capable of. And in the future, you would be able to bank on all these things. And that is what is important. Got that? Good. So you would be able to sell at events, you would be able to get results. And देखो, अगर आपको selling भी करनी है, अगर आपको opportunity भी create करनी है, तो भी तो modulation करना आना चाहिए. Yes or no? And कितना important है वो कि आप जब modulation करोगे तो आपके पास और कितने सारे chances अपने आप ही आने लग जाते हैं. That is why I say to people, create those monetization opportunities for you. Create those growth opportunities for you. जितनी बार भी आप वो करोगे उतनी ही बार आप अपने पास नए chances बनाते चले जाओगे. Next. So speaking fees, that's number one. Then selling at events is number two. Then your videos. Create more videos. Videos give you the attention, give you the visibility, which actually gets the monetization opportunities for you. अगर आपको लोगों से बात करनी है, ऑनलाइन सेशंस करने हैं, इंटरैक्शंस करने हैं, लोगों को अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताना है, कोई भी चीज करनी है, तो आपको वीडियोस के माध्यम से ही लोगों से बात करनी होगी. The way that wherein you would be able to interact with people would be through your videos. Do you understand? One more thing that I would like to share with you over here is, supposedly there are two people. Both of them have an amazingly good product. Both the products are at par. Do you realize this? Do you believe in this? The person who would be able to explain the features of that product in a more efficient manner, in a more giving people a lot of clarity, telling us about the pointers and highlighting the benefits of that particular product, will always have the edge over the other person. Person A will always have an edge over person B, only because person A is able to recommend, showcase the particular product that he has in front of people. Do you agree? Everybody? And that gives you one more reason why you need to work upon your speaking skills so that you would be able to get even more opportunities and results for you. This is why I always say to people, start creating more content, start creating more videos, and therefore you would be able to monetize it. Next, voiceovers. You can do voiceovers and you can get paid for it. Now, who all would require voiceovers from you? एक चीज और मैं ना आपको बहुत क्लियर कट बता देता हूँ यहाँ पे, जो कि मैं यहीं पे बीच में लिख देता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. See, I just want to do some change over here in your mind, in your mindset, okay? You got to be amongst the money to make money. Read this. You got to be amongst the money to make money. To make money. Let me give you an example, okay? Supposedly you want to do a voiceover, right? And you go and do a voiceover for a gym. For a gym. उनके वीडियो में आपने पीछे से आवाज दे दिया. That is known as a voiceover, okay? You do a voiceover for them. The gym's monthly turnover is 45,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees or maybe 1.5 lakh rupees. Just think how much profits will they be making out of that 1.5 lakh rupees, and how much money will they be ready to pay you? Not much, right? Do you agree? Not much. Similarly, we do our software launches, and every software launch that we do predominantly generates a revenue of more than 1 crore rupees. You are already aware about it. Do we have a higher probability of paying you? Or people who are working in industries where they are paid really well have a higher probability of paying you money compared to any local vendor? Yes or no? Everybody? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes? Everybody agrees with that? You realize that? At the same time, supposedly to one individual, you are charging 5,000 rupees. To the other individual, you are charging 50,000 rupees. Do you realize that similar amount of efforts, similar amounts of convincing strategies and negotiation will have to be done in both the cases, whether you are charging rupees 5,000 or you are charging rupees 50,000 or rupees 5 lakhs. Do you agree with it? Because for a 5,000 rupee product, you would be interacting with an individual who has a mindset of giving you rupees 5,000. Whereas when you are charging rupees 50,000 or rupees 5 lakhs, therein you would be talking to somebody who has the potential to give you rupees 5 lakhs. So automatically your targeting would change. If you agree with that, type I, everybody. That's why it is very important. Good, very good. Because this mindset needs to change. It's very important for you to realize that you need to be amongst people who are understanding the value of what you are sharing with them, who are understanding the information that you want to provide to them. Because when you will do it, you would automatically be able to monetize it. Reach out to clients, work with people who have a higher potential to give you business or to give you the monetary opportunities. It's a fact. Don't work with people who don't want to pay more, who don't want to look for good people. They will never pay you good money. That is what is very important. आपको हमेशा ऐसे क्लाइंट्स के संग काम करने के बारे में सोचना चाहिए who are willing to pay more and whose business starts giving them more money or whose business gives them more money so that they would not be worried to give you money. छोटा सा एग्जांपल देके बताता हूं अगर अभी भी आपको क्लियर नहीं हुआ है तो, ठीक है ना? मैंने अभी एक वीडियो प्रोजेक्ट काम करा है, अभी मैंने एक वीडियो प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करा है जो अभी मैंने बोला मेरे पास असाइनमेंट है, इट्स अ बिग ब्रांड, सो दे वुड बी गिविंग मी डिसेंट इनफ मनी. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू इज आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ यूट्यूब वीडियो फॉर देम. ओके, तो जो मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो उनके लिए बनाने वाला हूँ, will it require the same amount of effort to make a YouTube video for a brand that is certainly pay rupees 5,000 and same amount of effort would be put to create a video for a brand that will give me 50,000 rupees? एक जितना एफर्ट लगेगा, एक जितनी लाइट लगेगी, एक जैसा कैमरा लगेगा, अप्रूवल्स भी दोनों से सेम तरीके से लेने पड़ेंगे, अप्रूवल के लिए वीडियो भी भेजना पड़ेगा. 5,000 रुपए वाला बंदा है, if somebody is giving you 5,000 rupees, he or she will also want to go through the video. I will use the same camera, I will be the same Rahul Bhatnagar. The same thing will happen if I'm charging somebody 50,000 or maybe more than that, which I do. So why would I want somebody giving me 5,000 with the same amount of efforts? So this is what you actually need to understand. Position yourself, learn the high income skills, create more opportunities for you to generate money. देखो public speaking तो एक वो बंदा भी करता है who is a very good speaker, but he or she is only speaking in front of 50 people at max throughout his life. But when you intelligently take your content online and get more opportunities for you, just like I'm going to teach you today, you will automatically get more revenue for you. That's important. I will also tell this to you. You need to understand this. Somebody says that for 50K you will put your best and 5K you will not have the energy. No. A person like me will put the same amount of effort. अगर मैं किसी से 5,000 रुपीज ले रहा हूं तो भी मैं उतना ही एफर्ट डालूंगा, अगर मैं किसी से 50,000 रुपीज ले रहा हूं तो भी मैं उतना ही एफर्ट्स डालूंगा. Now this particular workshop we have kept the pricing deliberately very low so that everybody can become a part of it. But do you see my efforts less than any other workshop that I could have done, that I have done in my entire life? जो गोवा वाला इवेंट था उसमें भी इतने ही एफर्ट्स थे ना मेरे जितने अभी हैं, because that is what you need to understand, that your effort would remain the same. It's just things that you need to change. It's just the things that you got to do. In fact, when I did meetups for free, even for the free meetups, I give my 100% energy because people are giving me their time. And therefore, if you come across an opportunity wherein you get the opportunity to connect with people everywhere who are hustlers, who are action takers, do it. अगर आप किसी इवेंट में जाते हो, एक हॉस्टल में रुक जाओ, पर इवेंट में सबसे महंगा टिकट लो, so that you can be surrounded by people जो कि अच्छे लेवल पे काम करते हैं, आप समझो. अगर मैं फेसबुक एड चलाने के लिए एक महीने का 75,000 रुपीज लेता हूं, ठीक है, इफ आई चार्ज 75,000 रुपीज पर मंथ, अगर एक इवेंट है जहां पे कि एक बंदा आ रहा है जो बहुत मुश्किल से टिकट के पैसे अरेंज करके आ रहा है, नो ऑफेंसेस, दैट पर्सन इज स्टिल टेकिंग द एक्शन, राइट? बट who has a higher probability of giving me an event, or who has a higher probability of giving me the opportunity to run their ads for 75,000 rupees? A person who's sitting in the category wherein he's paying 50,000 rupees, or somebody who's giving you the category, who's in the category wherein he is paying 3,000 rupees. कौन सी कैटेगरी? एक वीआईपी कैटेगरी है और एक जनरल कैटेगरी है. वीआईपी कैटेगरी में ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी बनती है, yes or no? That's what you got to do. Be amongst the power to get the power. You got to be amongst the money to make money, and that is what is important. But unfortunately, a lot of people don't understand that. जितना जल्दी आप उस चीज को समझ जाओगे, उतना ही जल्दी आप आगे भी बढ़ जाओगे. वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड अभी मैं आप लोगों को और इन डेप्थ में बताने वाला हूँ इसके बारे में. वेर आई एम गोना चेंज योर माइंडसेट कि आपको ज्यादा क्यों चार्ज करना चाहिए एंड आपको ऐसे क्लाइंट्स के संग क्यों काम करना चाहिए हु वुड बी विलिंग टू इन्वेस्ट मोर ऑन देयर वर्क, बिकॉज वो आगे चल के अपने आप ही आपके संग काम करेंगे. बिकॉज दोज आर द पीपल हु आर ऑलवेज रेडी. दे अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वर्किंग विद एन इंडिविजुअल. सिर्फ उनका क्राइटेरिया पैसा नहीं रहता है. द क्राइटेरिया शुड नॉट बी जस्ट मनी. देयर क्राइटेरिया इज टू वर्क विद people who are hustling, and that is what is important for you. Somebody says, but in the starting we will not get the 50,000 deal. No problem. You know what you got to do? You know what you got to do? Do it for free. Go for the top-notch brand and do it for free. Get it done, get it in your mind, and then show to other people, this is what I'm capable of now, and this is my fees. Got it? Ladies and gentlemen, that is what is important. अगर आप कहीं पे 2,000 रुपए ले रहे हो और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट कर रहे हो, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. But the thing over here is that because you have done it for free, then you will be able to get more paid opportunities done for you. This is what you need to realize. Go and work with the top-notch clients, people. You got to be amongst the money to make the money. This is what you need to understand. बहुत important है. एक चीज और बताता हूँ मैं आप लोगों को, बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान से. आपको पता है जब हम हमारे इवेंट्स करते हैं, we deliberately keep our events fees at a level wherein we would have a good gentry coming in, wherein we would have a good community coming in. And this is what you need to understand. The reason why we do it is because we want people who focus on the value. आपको पता है अगर आप एक इवेंट कर दोगे जहां पे कि आप 199 रुपीज फीस रखोगे एंड 199 रुपीज वाली फीस में आप फोकस करोगे, हम आपको कॉफी भी दे रहे हैं, कुकीज भी दे रहे हैं, आपको पता है वहां पे आपको कौन सा क्लाइंटेल मिलेगा? आपको वो वाला क्लाइंटेल मिलेगा जो वहां पे आएगा बोलेगा अबे यार कॉफी में मजा नहीं आया, क्या कोई कॉफी देख ठंडी हुई है, ऐसी कॉफी पिला रहे हैं बताओ. देयर एंटायर फोकस वुड बी ऑन द कॉफी दैट यू आर गिविंग टू देम. आई एम नॉट किडिंग यू, आई एम डेड सीरियस ओवर हियर. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दे आर गोइंग टू डू. बताओ 2 बिस्कुट खिला रहे हैं यार, कोई तरीका है? नहीं खिलाते. This is what those people are going to do, man. I don't want such people to come to my events. And that's exactly you need to understand. You did a nice acting. I try my best. अमा बताओ 2 मजाक बना रखा है हमारा. हम इतनी दूर से आए, आपके इवेंट में 2 बिस्कुट खिला के भेज दिया. Those people need to be avoided. Such clients need to be avoided. But आपको आपका माइंडसेट चेंज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उनकी गलती नहीं है. Listen to me very carefully. It is not the client's fault that you are charging rupees 199 for that event. It is your call. It is not the client's fault. एक मैं आपको गारंटी, एक ना बोनस टिप देता हूं, एक बहुत ज्यादा बोनस टिप देता हूं मैं आपको. ध्यान से सुनो आप ही मेरी बात, ठीक है? वो बोनस टिप ये है, अगर कोई भी एक इवेंट है जिसका एड दिख रहा है आपको फेसबुक पे एंड जो साथ में ये लिख रहा है दिस इंक्लूड्स 3 कोर्स डिनर्स, मत जाना उस इवेंट में. 3 कोर्स लंच एट अ 5-स्टार होटल, मत जाना उस इवेंट में. जो वैल्यू पे फोकस करते हैं वहां जाओ. मैं यहाँ पे आपको खाना नहीं खिला रहा ना, बिकॉज द पॉइंट इज दैट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन इवेंट. यार जो आपको अट्रैक्ट इस चीज पे कर रहे हैं कि आप यहाँ पे आके खाना खा लोगे, अच्छा वो आपको क्या वैल्यू देगा? That is what you need to change. This kind of mindset needs to change. We were at the Grand Cardone event, and at the Grand Cardone event, we paid 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees just for food for those 3 days. हमारे पास VIP टिकट थे. VIP टिकट्स के लिए हमने पे करा था. उसके बावजूद भी हम लोगों ने 40,000 रुपीज सिर्फ फूड के लिए पे करा था उस इवेंट में. Yes, the 10x growth conference. 40,000 rupees we paid for our food. Because we didn't want to go outside. And then there was a lady who was saying over there, come on man, the amount of money that they're charging us for the food, they should be serving us lobsters and things like that. हम लोग एकदम से उस लड़की से दूर हो गए. हम लोग एकदम से उस बंदी से दूर हो गए. She was from US only. because her focus was on the kind of food that we are getting. My focus was I get the right networking done, I get connected with the right people, I get the right associations done for me. अगर मैं आपको एक बात और बताऊं ना, जो कि अभी तक आप सुन के मतलब बोलोगे सर ये आप क्या बता दिया आपने मेरे को। हम जब सबसे पहले यूएस में इवेंट अटेंड करने गए थे, आप में से कुछ लोगों को पता है, we went to that US event, we became a part and we interacted with one of the Spanish influencers. He comes from Spain and वो स्पेन के सबसे बड़े influencers में से एक आता है। हम उससे मिले, we had a dinner with them, we had a dinner with him, and after we had that dinner with him, we went into business collaborations and stuff, and till date he has generated a revenue of more than 50 lakhs for our products and our services, because he opened the doors for the Spanish market for us, and this has happened within 2 years, just 2 years. Got it? You got to be amongst the money to make money. That's exactly, yes, Eric Collins. Eric, how do you know him, Shrey? Good. So you know it also, right? I'm so happy. So you saw his page. Good. So we interacted. It's very important. You got to interact with the same people. And do you think that person did not earn money? Of course, he also made money. Around 25, 30, 40% was the revenue that he generated. How does these things happen? How do these things happen? Because of the opportunities that we created. So you got to be amongst the money to make the money. अब आप मुझे बताओ, जो हमारा VIP टिकट था वो 1 लाख रुपीस का था, जो दूसरा टिकट था वो 20,000 30,000 का था, right? Why will I like to save 70,000 and miss out on the opportunity to connect with such people? I won't like to do it, right? That is important. इतनी मेहनत करिए मैंने एक ही चीज आपको समझाने के लिए, बिकॉज आपका माइंडसेट समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये माइंडसेट बदलना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो नाउ नेवर आस्क मी, राहुल सर हाउ मच मनी विल आई गेट, एक वीडियो के लिए, एक वॉइस ओवर के लिए, हाउ मच रेवेन्यू विल यू बी एबल टू जनरेट फॉर देम is what is going to define how much money you are going to earn. And how much will your video generate revenue will actually also depend upon the scale of work of that particular individual. Is that clear? आप उनके लिए कितना पैसा कमाओगे वो डिटरमाइन करेगा कि आपको कितना पैसा मिलेगा, एंड वो कितना पैसा कमाने वाले हैं वो उस चीज पे डिपेंडेंट है कि वो किस स्केल पे काम कर रहे हैं. सर एक मूवी भी तो एक वीडियो ही होती है ना. अ मूवी इज ऑल्सो अ वीडियो. डू यू अग्री? एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए भी मल्टीपल वीडियोस को कंबाइन करा जाता है, एक मूवी बनाने के लिए भी मल्टीपल वीडियोस को कंबाइन करा जाता है. एक वीडियो 10,000 व्यूज में सिमट के रह जाता है, एक वीडियो 1,000 में सिमट के रह जाता है, whereas there is a movie that generates a revenue of 1,500 crores. You know why? Because of their scale. अब एक जो 1,500 करोड़ रुपए की मूवी थी, क्या नाम था उस मूवी का? नाम बताओ सब लोग. Bahubali was the name of the movie, right? That generated 1,500 crores. Who gave the voiceover for that movie? For Prabhas? Khedekar, right? He gave the voiceover. Sharat Kelkar gave the voiceover. वो वॉइस ओवर तो किसी एक शो के लिए भी दे सकता था ना. सेम अमाउंट ऑफ एफर्ट, हिज लाइफ गॉट कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज ही डिड द वॉइस ओवर फॉर दैट मूवी. सेम एफर्ट लगा होगा वॉइस ओवर देने के लिए, सेम एनर्जी लगी होगी, but the reason why his life changed was because that movie was on that scale. You got to be amongst the money to make the money. समझ में आया सर? Ladies, gentlemen, everybody, don't ask me the questions how much money can we make, whom are you talking with is what is going to determine how much revenue will you generate out of it, how much return will you generate out of it. That is what is important, and that is what you need to understand. एक बात मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, और एक बहुत बड़ी सच्चाई है यहाँ पे, जो कि शायद आप लोगों को लगेगा कि यार क्या है कैसा है, लेकिन एक बहुत दिल की गहराइयों तक मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूं. अभी चिंदी क्लाइंट्स के संग काम मत करो. चिंदी क्लाइंट्स के संग काम मत करो. मैंने बहुत करा है. जब मैं देहरादून में था, मेरे को मेरे 1,000 रुपए लेने के लिए 5-5 चक्कर काटने पड़ते थे. रेस्टोरेंट्स के पास 5-5 चक्कर काटने पड़ते थे. Although I know that it's a part of my work, I know that it was a part of my work, but don't work with clients who are cheap clients, because such clients who are always talking about money will never get you results. It's very important. Choose whom you want to work with. That's important. Got it? Good. Let's go ahead. So, everybody now clear? How much money can you earn? Totally depends upon whom you are working right now. Totally depends upon whom you are interacting with. That's very important. I worked with clients. I'm so disappointed that I did it. But because I committed that mistake, so I can say to you, आप वो गलती मत करना. You should not do such a mistake for you. That's very important. Got it? बहुत important है. Somebody says hire clients के पास तब जाएंगे ना जब हमारा पोर्टफोलियो अच्छा होगा. Very true. बनाओ ना पोर्टफोलियो अच्छा, एफर्ट्स डालो, रेगुलरली डालो, रिजल्ट्स लेकर आओ. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चलो आगे चलते हैं. You got to be amongst the money to make the money. Videos, voiceovers, webinar presenter. There are so many brands who are conducting webinars right now. What stops you from doing 15 free webinars in the next 1 month? 15 free webinars करो, लोगों को बुलाओ. एक बंदा है, दो बंदा है, तीन बंदा है, 10 बंदा है. It does not matter whether you have 1 person, 2 people, 3 people, 5 people, 10 people turning up for your webinar. It does not matter. Record that particular webinar. Take out the good clippings from that particular webinar. Get it in front of people. And therefore, you would be able to monetize. Somebody asked me as to how will we be able to increase our portfolio? By regularly posting content, by regularly getting in front of people, by regularly serving people, by doing more than what you feel you are individually capable of. That is important. जितना ज़्यादा visibility होगी, उतने ही ज़्यादा results आएंगे. The more visibility you get, the more results will come your way. Extremely important. Fiza says, wow, Rahul, great idea. Thank you. Entirely my pleasure, Fiza. Thank you. Then you can work as a spokesperson for brand. Tell them, listen to me, tell brands, tell companies, tell organizations that Rahul, I am someone, if you are talking to me, and I know that you want somebody to represent your company at official events and other places. I don't want a fixed retainer for it. I don't want a fixed monthly salary for it. Whenever you will be getting the opportunities, whenever you will be going for events, I will go for you. I will do it on your behalf. This way, you will be able to work with multiple clients and you will be able to monetize it for yourself. जितना बार आप इस चीज को समझ जाओगे, उतनी ही बार आप अपने पास chances बना लोगे and opportunities create कर ले जाओगे. So you can also work as a spokesperson for multiple brands. And when you work as a spokesperson for multiple brands, you would again be able to monetize it even more. And that's the most important thing for you. Spokesperson means if you speak on the behalf of Rahul Bhatnagar's organization, that is how you would work as a spokesperson. And वही चीज आपको भी देखनी पड़ेगी and उसी चीज की वजह से आप भी grow आगे कर पाएंगे. Do you get that? That's very, very important. And that's exactly how you get results going for you. प्रवक्ता, या हिंदी में उसको प्रवक्ता बोला जाता है. तो आप ये भी कर सकते हैं कि आप ब्रांड्स के लिए मेल करो. मैं आपको सब बता रहा हूं. मैं आपको मेल में क्या लिख के भेजने वाला है वो भी बताने वाला हूं. बस आप यहाँ पे रहो. ठीक है ना? एवरीथिंग इज देयर. मेल का मैं आपको कंटेंट वगैरह सब कुछ दे रहा हूं. Start today, Maulik. Start. Don't worry whether your webinar would be top notch or not. Just start. क्या कहते हैं, मेरे पास जो कुछ है आप सब कुछ ले लो. बस उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो और सक्सेसफुल हो लो. Next, start conducting online sessions just like I am doing. Start putting in the work, start implementing, start growing, start achieving more, and then start doing online sessions. Got it? जैसे online sessions अभी मैं कर रहा हूँ. Now it depends upon you. What is your motive? What I would focus you to do is empower, impact, increase your scale. Increase your scale to such a level so that you are able to get connected with so many people that the monetization opportunities just come your way by default. अपने आप ही आपके पास monetization opportunities आने लग जाएंगी उसके. And again, वो कैसे होगा? उसका होने का एक ही तरीका है और वो ये कि आप regularly दिखो. You should be regularly visible. The more visibility you create, the more monetization opportunities come. Your hand movements are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What to tell in the online session, Ajay, once you have become good with something, that's what is important, right? Then you start sharing that knowledge and information with people and then you start monetizing it for you. That's how you would be able to get more chances for yourself. Very important. Got it? Next, coaching the employees. What about this? Will this be a way to generate more money? Yes or no? अपने आप को इतना अच्छा करो कि उसके बाद आप employees को coach करना शुरू कर दो. That you would be able to start coaching the employees. Will you be able to charge more? Will you be able to earn more? Yes. And the way that's going to happen is when you reach out to them, you start telling them that, okay, this is how I would be able to add value. So that's why I say, along with the public speaking skills, develop the high income skill. हाई इनकम स्किल भी सीखो ना, कल आपको और बताऊंगा मैं उसके बारे में जब हम पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. ओके, अब आपको ये चीज शेयर करनी पड़ेगी कि कैसे वो रिजल्ट्स आते हैं, कैसे वो आगे बढ़ता है. This is what is important. Somebody says, is this business coaching? This can be business coaching, this can be public speaking coaching, this can be mindset coaching, this can be sales coaching, this can be the coaching that is dependent upon the skill sets that you have developed for your own self, and that's what matters. Got it? So it will totally depend upon the specialization that you have created for yourself. Very good, Mohit. It depends on your niche. Very, very good. And that's exactly what you got to do. Got it? Very good. Next, public speaking workshops. I would also be doing public speaking workshops, by the way. Anjali says, sir, I have just posted a story and I'm getting a positive feedback. Ma'am, I say to you all the time, you just start doing the work, start getting it in front of people, and don't worry, the results will come. All the things that I tell you to do, just do it blindfolded, and I guarantee you that you will get results. Somebody says, information YouTube पे होने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. कॉपीराइट आपको तब नहीं आता अगर इन्फॉर्मेशन यूट्यूब पे है. अगर आप किसी और का कॉपीराइटेड कंटेंट यूज करते हो तब आपको कॉपीराइटेड स्ट्राइक आता है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज हम लोग पब्लिक स्पीकिंग वर्कशॉप्स भी करेंगे, फिजिकल पब्लिक स्पीकिंग वर्कशॉप्स, wherein there would be very few people. Like we will be doing it for a batch size of 20 people, 30 people. As it is, अभी तो कोविड है तो 20-30 लोगों के लिए करेंगे. 2 दिन का पूरा डेडिकेटेड करेंगे. Everybody will get the opportunity to speak, and at the end of it, everybody would also be given a certificate from my side. We will get a photograph clicked together on the stage. It would be in the form of a shield, or you can say the glass cover and everything, and it would be given to everyone. Right? We will do it in the future. That is a plan that I have. I don't have the exact dates and everything, but we are going to do it, and it will going to be a physical event. But again, because it's going to be for very few people, so the pricing would be a little bit on a higher side because it's going to be very important. वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा आपको कब करना है, क्या करना है. मेरे दिमाग में वो चीज है तो मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि हम आगे उसको करेंगे. Right? So we will plan how to do it, and maybe we will do a series of that. Delhi, Mumbai. So I travel to all these places. आपके घर के जो सबसे ज्यादा पास जगह होगी आप वहां पे आ सकते हो. वो आपके लिए मैटर करता है. Anubhav, this is the kind of spirit that I want from all of you. This is we are ready for any price because this shows that you value your learning more than your investment, and that is what is so very important. Got it? So now what we need to, I don't have any pricing on my mind, people. जब वो आएगा आपको अपने आप ही खुद ब खुद बता दिया जाएगा कब होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है. ठीक है. So understand, public speaking workshop is also one more thing that you can do, and therefore you would be able to monetize that for you. And आप उसको और अच्छे से करके और ज्यादा opportunities create कर सकते हैं and results अपने आप लेने आ सकते हैं. You know what? 2 people right now commented, and I'm visualizing to be there, and I know that both of them are from Kolkata. Malay as well as Tanvita, both of them are from Kolkata. Both of them wrote it together. So I guess that is one place wherein I should definitely visit in the future. So see, this is also one more way of generating revenue for you and also to monetize that for yourself. And therefore you would be able to get ahead and get so many more opportunities for yourself and also teach other people. So teach other people, empower other people, help other people, and also monetize it. एक बार आपका skill sets बनाने की बात है. Once you have created those skill sets, you would then realize that, man, this is totally amazing. आप वो करो और फिर आप देखो कि वो कितना ज्यादा अच्छा आपके लिए एंड कितना ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए बन के आने लग जाने वाली है अभी से. ऐसा कुछ करना है, समझे? That is the public speaking workshop. The next is the high-end sessions. High-end sessions. Do it for very limited people. Maybe 5 people, maybe 10 people. Charge rupees 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh rupees. अब एक बात आप मुझे बताओ. Of course, not now. But क्या आज से 5 साल के बाद आप high-end coaching sessions कर सकते हो? Wherein you would be charging 1.5 lakh rupees from every client, and you are only looking at 10 people, 12 people. Do you now realize that it is possible? Before attending the session, how many of you thought that it is possible? That mindset, that transition needs to happen. तभी मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, वो mindset and वो transition change करना बहुत important है. जितनी बार आप उसको वो करेंगे, Nalin is asking 1 lakh per client, of course. Why not? You teach them how to do more than that, and you would be able to do it. The most important thing is the mindset needs to change. The most important thing is that you need to understand that how helpful this is going to be for people. And once you are able to make that happen, you would then realize that this would create those results. And that is what is the most important part. So you would be able to do high-end coaching. How will they pay 1 lakh rupees? Because they will be the people who are earning more than 25, 30 lakh rupees every month. More than 25 rupees, 30 lakh rupees every month. समझ में आया आपको? और एक चीज और बताता हूँ, ध्यान से आप मेरी एक बात सुनो, ध्यान से आप मेरी एक बात सुनो. जब फीस 1 लाख रुपीस होगी ना, या 1.5 लाख रुपीस होगी ना, a lot of people will come. A lot of people would come. You know why? You know why they will come? Because they know that others who are paying rupees 1.5 lakh rupees will also be from a same fraternity. बहुत सारे लोग वहां पे पता है क्यों आएंगे? Because of the networking part. Do you agree? They are going to come over there because of the networking part. उनको पता है यार, I got to be amongst the money to make the money. That is what is the most important part, and that is what is the most beautiful part about it. आपको बोल दूं मैं, आप जाओगे कि नहीं जाओगे? मैं आपको अभी गारंटी देके आ सकता हूं कि आप 100% जाओगे. I just say one thing for the next 15 seconds, and I guarantee you that you will invest rupees 1.5 lakhs from your own pocket. You want to hear? Tell me, how many of you are interested? Yes? And then tell me whether I'm right. So you will go to attend an event by paying rupees 1.5 lakhs when you will get the opportunity to spend time with your favorite cricketer, your favorite actor, your favorite actress, and your favorite politician. Just for a 1 hour session. Now tell me, will you go or will you not go? Very true, right? आप कहीं से भी arrange करके जाओगे because of the networking part. Because you know that networking can change your life. Because you know that networking can completely bring about the change in your life. And our favorite mentor, Rahul Bhatnagar, thank you so much, brother. तेरे पैसे मैं दे दूंगा आधे. So understand, man. You change your mindset and you get results. All of you were thinking, right? All of you were thinking, who will pay 1.5 lakh rupees? Within 15 seconds, your mindset changed. You tell me now, are high-end sessions possible or not possible? Very much possible, right? Very, very much possible. मजा आया अभी आपको सुन के? Everything is possible, my dear friends. Everything is possible. It's just that we need to understand. We need to understand that mindset, and then you realize कि हाँ यार ये सच में होगा, तो अपने आप ही results होने लग जाएंगे, अपने आप ही opportunities आने लग जाएंगे. Just we need to go to that level. Of course, you will get to that level for sure. And this is exactly what you need to understand and what you need to realize. It automatically changes things for you because that is what is very important. And that is why I say you got to be amongst the money to make the money. Got it? Good. Obviously, घर बैठे बैठे mindset negative हो जाता है, यही चीज आपको समझनी पड़ेगी. इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट का पार्ट रहो. सो हाई एंड सेशंस, हाई एंड कोचिंग इज व्हाट यू शुड एक्चुअली थिंक अबाउट इन द फ्यूचर. आप लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे ना कि सर कोई 1.5 लाख रुपए क्यों देगा एक कोचिंग के? बदल देता हूं मैं इस फिगर को. ओके, मैं इस फिगर को बदल देता हूं. मैं आपको बोलता हूं एक बंदा आपको 15 लाख रुपीस देगा 1 वीक की कोचिंग के लिए. आई टेल यू व्हाई. ऑफ कोर्स इट विल नॉट हैपन टुडे. ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि आज होगा. आई एम नॉट लाइक अदर पीपल, अदर कोचेस. बाय द वे, आई कैन बी वेरी modest and honest about it. Time लगेगा boss. You know when you will be coaching a politician who's fighting for a MLA or MP elections. He wants to speak well in front of thousands of people. Will he or she pay you 15 lakh rupees? Yes or no? Same amount of content, same amount of information, same amount of time, effort same, content same, guidance same. That person will give you more money. You know why? Because he will make so much more because of the opportunity that he will create for himself. This is what is important. And that's exactly what you've got to realize it for you. That is what is so very important. तो ये मत बोलो सर कि पैसे कौन देगा. ये मत बोलो कि पैसे कौन देगा. मैं अभी आपको वो भी बता दूंगा कि 1.5 करोड़ रुपए भी कौन देगा आपको कोचिंग के लिए आपके. You need to figure out what is that person going to achieve out of it. That is what is important. And once you have figured it out, you would be able to realize that yes, this is possible. Is this possible today? No. No. Is it possible 5 years from now? 100%. 100%. Will pay 1.5 crore. Anybody who's fighting for the BCCI elections will definitely pay you that much amount of money. 110%. You got to understand, man. And this is what you need to realize. And that is how you would be able to get results and opportunities for you. You need to change your ask, ladies and gentlemen. You need to change your ask, ladies and gentlemen. And when you change your ask, you would realize that this is so much worth it. And therefore, you would be able to monetize it for your own self. That's the case. What if they don't win the election? No problem. BCCI is the Board of Cricket Control for India. Okay, that is what I'm saying. You need to get that much amount of skill, Jyoti. You have exactly hit the nail right on the head. आपको अपने आप को अपग्रेड तो करना पड़ेगा ना, and not just skill. You need to have both the things: skill plus results for you. Skill plus the results for you. That is what is important. You know what? If I tell you about the Tony Robbins community, the Tony Robbins Platinum Plan for 1 year, the fees is 75,000 USD per person. Approximate figures, okay? 75,000 US dollars per person is the fees. Now you tell me how much is this? Do you have any idea? How much is this? Calculate karke dekh lo aap. Yes, around 85K also it's possible. So this is the amount of revenue that he generates out of it. 75K or 85K. Why? Because he's working with those clients. Around 60 lakh rupees, people pay that for 1 year to become a part of the platinum member. Sir, everything is possible. The fees for one-to-one coaching is $1 million, $1 million and 3 years wait time. The fees for a one-to-one coaching is $1 million and you have to wait for 3 years. That is when you create such opportunities. That person also started from zero, right? Everybody starts from zero. Don't say there is abundance on this planet. Everything is there. Abundance is everywhere. You need to change your mindset. And that's what is important. But at the same time, you need to develop yourself to get to that level. And that is exactly how you would be able to get results. That means that people wait to pay $1 million. Yes, sir. People wait to pay $1 million for a one-to-one coaching. That is what you need to understand. And you get results. Like if Rahul, no, my one-to-one consultation charges rupees 2.5 lakh plus GST. That is what I do. And I don't do it for a lot of people. Because if there's someone whose business I can help to scale, this is what we do. And that's why I don't do it for a lot of people. तो आपको ये चीज करना पड़ेगा, समझना पड़ेगा, और उसके बाद आप खुद को अपग्रेड करेंगे. And therefore you would be able to get results. This is just the beginning. This is just the foundation for us. Got it? All right, let's go ahead. So high-end coaching is what you need to understand, and high-end coaching is how you monetize it for your own self. And therefore you would be able to teach such people who would be able to get results. The basic rule of selling. Do you remember it? There are two conditions that need to be fulfilled. Number one, the person is interested in your product or your service. Number two, the person has the ability to pay. Number one, the person is interested in your products or your service. Number two, the person has the ability to pay. If both these conditions are fulfilled, you have your client with you. Then you will not reach out to clients who do not have the capacity to do it. Plain and simple. So that needs to change. You need to figure out, where will I find my perfect customer avatar? Never thought that public speaking can be so rewarding, right? This is the beginning, man. This is the beginning.